Okay, so we have just completed part 1, and to find a good feng shui house, first step is to match the external landform and to the house direction. Now after you have got this matching, assuming you have got the matching right, so you already have pretty good feng shui, but it's not enough. We need to do part 2, second step. Second step is to distribution of the qi inside the house. Now what do I mean by distribution of the qi inside the house? Now this means that how you internally lay out the segments and the doors, locations, and the stove, and blah blah blah, many things else, right? So let's go in one step at a time. Okay, let me bring you into the house. Okay, now you see this is one of the doors, right? And behind this door directly is the rear entrance. Now many people say that this is a form of bad feng shui because qi will come in and leak out. In real feng shui sense, we do not have to worry about this because it can be easily handled. Okay, these are just minor issues for us. This is the real feng shui method. Okay, now most important is where you locate the doors. So for example, this door is located here, and you have a side door that is located over here. And you have the third door that is located at the back. Okay? So we have the door located at the back. Now, over here, the kitchen section. So the most important thing about the kitchen is always the location of the stove. How you locate the stove is very important because the stove affects our health, also affects our well-being, our financial well-being. Right? Because you are going to bring food back to the house, so the stove is for you for that purpose, right? So this is the stove, it's very important. So apart from the door, the stove. And then the other very important thing is the staircase, right? The staircase is the qi connection to your upstairs. So this is also a very important part of the feng shui internal layout. Okay, now you can see that this style of staircase, there's a gap here. Now many feng shui masters don't like this because they say this is qi leaking and the qi therefore not able to rise to the upper floors, right? In real feng shui, we have no problem. We can easily handle these issues, right? So this is our real method of doing feng shui. We don't have too many superstitions about all these things. So okay, so now we have talked about the doors, the stove, and the staircase. Now the other very important layout is actually the bed. Okay, how we're going to lay out the bed. So let's go upstairs and we will check out the second part of it.